I let my dog choose his snack. I showed him his options, but warned him whatever option he doesn't pick, I'll give to 2 of his enemies to share. Augie could not wait to get his hands on that cheese, which means his rivals will get the banana. He smacked the cheese button until he couldn't take it anymore. He took it off the plate and ran. And the cats, they didn't like banana. But if you love Augie, subscribe.